My beautiful people, my old subscribers and my new subscribers, you are all welcome. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to achieve a lovely party like a pro. So guys, please stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end. Although the video is a short video, so I just want to show you guys how to achieve a lovely party. And this hair is washed already, and I've already applied the leave-in conditioner. Those are the particles you're seeing on the screen. So guys, after that, you go ahead and you comb the hair very well, and you begin to section the hair. As a beginner, most people find it very difficult to achieve this parting aspects. So guys, stay tuned. You section from back to the front, as you can see what I'm doing here right now. You section from back to the front. Then when you get to the front, make sure the lines, the sectioning part is equal with your forehead, as in the middle of the nose. Can you see? So that is the only way you achieve a lovely pattern. So that is the middle, for you to be sure that the hair is equal parts. So after that, you apply your cream, your oil, any of your favorites. Then you secure the half one, then you begin to work on the other side, as you can see. So as a beginner, you find this method very lovely. So you guys should just try this method and let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the tutorial, and if the video is helpful, please don't forget to leave a comment and share to your loved ones. As you can see, I'm done with the one side, so I'm not actually showing you how to do the DD. I have the link in my channel if you want to know how to do DD, but this particular one is just how to do the sectioning so that the hair will not get stuck halfway. Can you see? All the tips laps very well, and I'm done with this lovely tutorial. So guys, let me know if the video is helpful and give a thumbs up. This is the final look of the hair. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. Please share to your loved ones. Bye bye.